Milk crates have been used for years for storing record albums and books and, of course, kids' toys. Here are a bunch of old toys I found. I thought I'd donate them to my niece. I thought she might enjoy playing with them. But rather than giving her just an open crate, I thought I could convert it into a child's seat. So I took a piece of fabric. This was actually a canvas drop cloth. And I laid it out on a table, then put on a piece of 2.5-inch thick foam, topped that with a piece of plywood cut to slightly larger than the dimensions of the crate. Then I stapled the fabric in place, and then I put in 4 cleats. I screwed 4 cleats to the underside of the cushion. And those cleats are perfect to keep this cushion in place. Without the cleats, this could slide right off. So there's 4 little simple cleats cut out of 1x2s, sit right on there. Now she has a comfortable place to sit and a great way to store her toys.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Tite Bond, the Pro's Advantage.